Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great contents for you. Alright guys, in this video we will continue data from users, but we're going to use query string in this section. So first of all, I did some preparation. Let me show you. I create 3 different action results. You can make some preparation for yourself, and I create another action result. As you can see, we are using HttpContext and some parameters. I'm going to explain all of that, do not worry about it. And I create a class which contains 2 different properties. And also I create a view for data receive. Let's go to view. This is going to be empty, just I create a view, that's all. Sorry, alright. Okay, let's start with the explanation. What is query string? Alright guys, if we have information that doesn't need to be secured, we can send this data using our URL. I'm strongly recommend you, and I'm going to make underline this security word. It is really important. If you're sending important information, do not use query string because it is going to be open and seeable by everyone. As you can see, let's have a look at our example query string. It is www.sitename.com data from user query string, which is our controller name. Data receive our action result name. It is come from our routing controller and action name. We are using default knob controller root right now. Okay, let's come back again, and let's delete this one. Yep, and we are sending our 2 parameter to our action method using question mark. I'm going to explain all of them step by step. Let's delete this section first. Okay, as you can see, we are sending our data, which is value is open and seeable by everyone, and the property name is open and seen by everyone. So if you using like username or password or something, do not use query string. Okay, let's delete it for now. I'm going to explain step by step. So to use and send a data using query string, first of all you need to type your root. Then once you decide which action method you're going to use a question mark. Okay, and now your query string has been initialized, is going to be initialized after this question mark, actually with this question mark. Okay, let's send our item 1, which is the parameter name, equal, it's going to be 5. All right, let's send first one item. Let's make those endpoints command line, not to get any error message. If we send all of them open, we're going to get multiple endpoint error. Okay, let's start our application. I'm waiting the result. Alright, let's copy our query string. Control C. Let's put, oh, we already put our breakpoint here. Perfect. Let's send the result. As you can see, breakpoint has been worked. Let's have a look. Our parameter name is 5. Perfect. It is working. So our parameter item 1 is 5. Alright guys, let's try to send 2 different items. So to do that, we're going to use AND operator. Let's add AND operator here. Item 2 equal, let's say, London. I'm going to make this section command line. Let's activate the second action method. Let's, oops, not you, you. Okay, item 1 and item 2. Let's put our breakpoint here. Let's run the application and let's see the results. Of course, I need to copy my URL. Let's send it. Here we go. We catched. Item 1 is 5 and item 2 is London. Perfect. What if I define a class who has property name exactly the same with the query string names? Item 1 and item 2. Item 1 and item 2. Is it going to be automatically mapped to our object? The answer is yes. Let's make this section command line and open. Put another breakpoint here and let's send it. All right. Let's send our query again. Let's have a look at our data. As you can see, item 1 is 5, item 2 is London. Perfect. It's working. It's mapped automatically. The data comes from query string to our object. Perfect. All right. Is there anything should I tell you about catch by parameters section? Let me have a look quickly again. All right, we can continue with the catch by HTTP context. Let's make this section command line. Why we have this here? Yeah, okay, all right. Let's make this section uncomment. All right, guys. We have a property, HTTP context, which is the heart of our application. So we're able to catch our requests and our query and query string. We have two different property belong to request property. Okay. I'm not gonna make any theoretical explanation to you. Let's put a breakpoint and let's see the results of what kind of information we're going to have using query string and query if we send our data using query string. Let's put our breakpoints here. Let's run the application. Oops, let's delete this one. I was trying something different. Think. Alright, let's copy this our query string and let's send this data to our action method. Perfect. Let's have a look at our result one. As you can see, we have our whole query string start with the question mark. Let me show you our view. In the beginning of my lesson, if you remember, after actually with the question mark, our query string is starting. This is our query string, guys. Perfect. I don't know how you able to use this query string, but there is a way to catch this query string, okay? Let's have a look at our result 2. It is null. Why it is null? Did I stop? No. This is alright. Why we got null? Request query. It's interesting. Let's stop the application and run one more time. Okay, result 1 is okay. Let's F11. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I guess I did something wrong previous try. we have two different items in our result 2 comes with the query property. Let's have a look what kind of information they are. As you can see, item 1 5, item 2 is London. So as you can see, there is a key value relation between these items, these two items. Okay, so how we able to catch them? So if we using indexer to result 2, as you can see, result 2 as an indexer parameter name item 1 and result 2 indexer item 2 as a indexer. So we able to catch our results and map those results to our variable, which is item 1 and 2. Let's F11. Let's have a look. Item 1 is 5 and item 2 is London. Perfect. I assume you understand how we able to send and catch our data using query strings. Now I'm going to finish this lesson here. And if you have any questions, please drop comment below the video. I will be happy to help you guys. And if you crash the like button, I will be appreciated, as it makes me really happy and motivates me to create new contents, guys. Alright, take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.